Hello guys, welcome to Motor Part. It's me Ismail again, and today I am working on the old Honda Fourtrax 300. The issue with this old lady, it is no start, no crank. And I did some tests on it already and I found that was the problem with it. So that being said, let's go ahead and get her done. I'll be back. How do you know what is the problem? Well, first what I do, I make sure I will charge up my battery to 100%. Get in a kind of multimeter like this one over here. Like I say, after charging up your battery for 2-3 hours and then check it. In my case, it's low on battery. That means the battery is not holding charge. Make sure your battery is above 12. If it's not, like this right now, make sure you take care of the first step, get a new battery. So now I got my booster cable on there. Let's just say I got good battery right now. Now tune it on and then push start. Let's hear the noise again. That kind of noise, it indicates your battery not strong enough to tune your starter. Another test you can do, tune the key on and then push start. I hope you heard that noise. Let's do it again. It's not doing nothing except it clicks. That noise indicates you got a bad solenoid right here. But before you change the solenoid out, check it or test it. I'm going to put my multimeter to a continuity right here. Here is from the battery, this is to the starter, and this is from the ignition switch. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to hook this up here. As you can see, this is already hooked up on one side, and then I'm going to tune the key on right now and then put this on here. What you're going to hear is you hear a click. If there is connection, if there's any changes right here, then that means the solenoid is good. But if it's no changes right here or no beep, then you need to change the solenoid. So let's do that. Put now here. As you can see, it's nothing happening right now. And let's see. See the changes when I push start. Here you go. So in this case, the starter solenoid is good. It's time to move on to the next step. Now, what if you said, hey Jack, what if there is no click or clicking at all? Back to the battery. The battery, that's the power. So if there is no power, nothing's going to happen. So make sure you check your battery and all the cable. So now you know all that it's good, but there is still no click, right? So this is what we're going to do next. There's two plug-in over here. There's a red one and the white one with yellow and green cable. And just pull this one out like that. And then get you multimeter. As I said, there's a yellow with red strap and then green with red strap. So make a very good connection, the red one to the yellow strap, the yellow one, and then the black one to the green one. Make sure it's clean, everything. Just like that. I hope it's good right now. And of course, tune your multimeter on the voltage, the DC. And then tune your ignition switch on, just like that. Light should come on. And push the starter switch. And over here, I shook it 5.5. And let's see if I got good connection. Nope, I don't have a good connection. Okay, let's try again. Here you go, close enough. 5.7, not 5.5, but it's nearly, maybe because of the corrosion somewhere. So this means the ignition switch and the starter switch are good. Now you know it is 5.5 voltage you need. So now you can put down you can see negative over there on this side and then positive on that side, like towards the front. But the negative is over here on the back, like this. I'm not gonna do it because I know mine is good. So you make sure you do that. Negative and positive, you send it through here and then to those cable over here. As you can see, there's green and yellow, so that should click. If all this cable from here to there is good, then should click. So make sure your connection right here all the way to there is good. One more important thing, before you do that, make sure you disconnect this cable to the starter. But if not, you're going to send power to the starter and it's not good. You're going to mess up your ignition switch and all that stuff. So make sure that you disconnect this one and then you send power to that and then goes in here. If it doesn't click, like I said, make sure you check all your wire, your cable, your connection right here. But first thing, move that one, don't make any mess. So now if you do all that and then still no click, so you know your cable and everything's good, so that means the magnetic, it doesn't work no more, because there is a magnetic thing inside this solenoid, and then there is a plate in the bottom, so that magnetic, it sucks the plate up and then makes connection between this and this cable over here. This is the battery, this is to the starter, so that's how it works. So if there is no power coming from here or the magnet doesn't activate, then it doesn't work and you have to change the starter solenoid. All right, let's go to the next one. Hey Jack, before you forget, don't forget to share, like and subscribe, and that will really help me a lot, and then I appreciate it a lot as well. In my case, I had to get a new battery, and then my other problem is this. Will not stay on. Then that could be your spark plugs, wire, or the spark plug itself. But most of the time, the carburetors. In my case, this old lady, it's been sitting for 4 or 5 years, so have to be the carburetor. It's been dirty, so I'm going to focus on that one. All right, let's start by removing the seat. You shut your gas off, and then the gas tank by moving this bolt over here, just like that. Now she's clean again. Okay, let's put this old lady back together. Okay, after cleaning up the carburetor, let's try again. If we start. It still does the same thing. Let's find out the problem. Alright, I'm back. I finally got it. See, the reason I'm showing you all this, just in case you have the same problem. Okay, the last problem I'm fixed on this one is the choke cable right here. See this piece, the gold piece of metal over there? It was missing, so the cable, when I push and choke like this, it goes all the way, but the cable, it moves all the way in instead of staying like that right now. See, before it goes all the way in, because that little grip over there, it was missing. So now finally got it. Let's start this old lady. Let's do this. There you go, she's working. Alright, she's ready to go. I tell you what, let's take a ride. Alright guys, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. I hope it helped you out and learned something. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Until next video, bye for now. Ciao ciao.